I'm Bon Angeli Palimique, CPA, and welcome to my channel.
Good afternoon. So today, andito na tayo sa chapter 5 ng ating business combination, which is the elimination of unrealized gain or losses on intercompany sales of PPE or property and equipment. So in the chapter 4, ang ini-eliminate natin is sale of inventory. Dito naman sa chapter 5 is sale of property and equipment. So now, dito sa video number 1 natin is more on the theories lang on how it will be eliminated and why it will be eliminated. Okay. So, for depreciable property, so magkaiba kasi for depreciable and non-depreciable. So, non-depreciable is yung land nga natin, di ba? So, sa mga depreciable, which is mostly naman ang PPE, is depreciable, which is machinery, equipment, buildings. Ang ating realization is through usage or through depreciation. So, a company may sell PPE at a higher price. So, tulad sa inventory, let's say, cost sa kanya is 50,000, ibebenta niya minsan ng 70,000, mga ganun. So, yung gain na yon, yung binenta mo lang sa related party mo or sa subsidiary, sa parent mo, is treated as one dapat. And dapat walang mangyaring ganun in point of view of the consolidation. So, anong nangyari is, ini-eliminate natin yung kanilang transaction. And next is, ang pinagkaiba lang nito sa inventory is, yung treatment sa depreciation. Okay, so after the sale, yung bumili, let's say, ito si parent, ito si subsidiary. Binenta ni parent kay subsidiary yung PPE niya. So, ito si subsidiary, yung kanyang recording ng depreciation will be based on the amount na pinagbenta sa kanya. Kasi yun yung tingin niya na presyo ng equipment. Yung sabi ko, kunyari 75,000 binenta. So, si subsidiary, magde-depreciate siya based on the 75,000. Pero si parent, nagde-depreciate siya based on the carrying amount or the 50,000 sample natin. So, doon tayo magkakaroon ng excessive or deficient. Magkaiba yung magiging kanilang depreciation. Tapos, magkakaroon ka ng adjustment due to that difference. So, sa conso point of view na, dahil gagawin mo silang isa, magkakaroon ng difference doon sa kanilang depreciation na rin-recognize. Okay, so, from the point of view of the consolidated entity, recognition of realization will be through depreciation adjustment. So, let's take this for example. So, yung book value kunyari is 4,000 ng kanilang PPE. Tapos, ang estimated useful life is 3 years. Then, ang selling price, so binenta niya kunyari for 10,000 dun sa kanyang subsidiary. So, on the books of subsidiary, ang depreciation niya will be based on the 10,000. Pero kay parent and also sa point of view ng consolidated entity, it should be as one. So, ang tinitignan lang niya is yung 4,000, isa lang yung PPE, which is the original cost and the book value is the 4,000. So, depreciation should be based on the 4,000 and not on the 10,000 selling price within the conso group nila. Okay. So, depreciation adjustment in such a case is often referred to as gain or revenue realized through usage. Okay. So, let's take this for example pa. So, on January 1, 20X4, P company sells to S company. Si parent, pagmamayari niya si S company, 90% own niya. Tapos, binentahan niya ng equipment with a book value of 375,000. Ang original cost niya nito is 675,000 and may act debt to na 300,000. So, 375,000 na yung kanyang carrying amount. Binenta niya for 450,000. So, tinubuan niya kay subsidiary. So, tulad ng intercompany sale of inventory, we need to eliminate the transaction of sale. And second entry natin dito is to adjust the depreciation. On the date of sale, the equipment has an estimated remaining useful life of 3 years, no residual value, and depreciated using straight line method. Okay. So, sa point of view ni P, ni parent, nung nagbenta siya, naka-receive siya ng cash na 450,000. Then, i-recognize niya ang kanyang equipment costing 675,000 with a act of 300,000 and treat the 75,000 as gain on sale niya. Si S naman, nung binili niya yan, debit equipment and credit to cash. Ganito yung i-record nila sa kanilang individual books. So, ganyan talaga i-record nila regardless kung iko-conso sila later on. Kasi ang adjustments will be posted in the conso worksheet only but not in their own books. Okay. So sabi natin, yung ganitong transaction nila sa isa't isa, kailangan mong i-eliminate yan. So, reverse mo. So, yung cash and cash, pag reverse mo, equal. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-reverse. Yung ACDEP, 300,000, walang ACDEP dito. So, dapat i-reverse. So, i-credit ko yung ACDEP. Equipment, i-debit ko para ma-reverse yung 675, tapos i-credit ko yung 450. So, 675 less 450 equals 225,000 debit to equipment. Then, gain on sale. Credit siya. So, gusto ko i-reverse. So, I will debit gain on sale for 75,000. So, our first eliminating entry is to reverse the initial transaction sa mga books ni parent and subsidiary, which is pagtanggal na itong mga to. Okay. Next. So, in the first year na operation sila, magkaiba sila ng basis ng depreciation. Si subsidiary will be basing on the selling price na sinabi sa kanya, which is 450,000. Pero si parent, magbe-base siya sa 375,000, which is yung original book value naman talaga. So, ang mangyayari, 150,000 kay parent, so ay kay subsidiary, yung 450. Tapos 375 divided by 3 equals 125,000. Sa point of view ni parent, 125 lang dapat ang kanyang depreciation, and kay subsidiary is 150,000. So, alin ba yung tama dyan? Diba? Sabi nga natin, iisa lang naman yung PPE dyan, which is yung hawak talaga ni parent. So, we should base on the 125,000 depreciation. So, we need to reduce the depreciation expense by 25,000. So, we need to debit ACDEP and credit depreciation expense as our eliminating entry number 2. Yan. So, ganyan lang siya. So, next year, next year na, anong gagawin naman natin next year? So, first, eliminating entry number 1 will be repeated. So, technically, kung ano yung entry natin dito, ito, eliminating entry number 1, ito should be retained or uulitin mo siya. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo naman to pinopost sa iyong libro. So, technically, yung yung transaction na to, hindi to posted sa Conso FS. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo siyang i-post ulit. Kasi isa siyang balance sheet account. Yun yung pinagkaiba niya with the IS account. Bakit hindi natin in-eliminate yung chapter 4 before, yung entry number 1? Bakit hindi natin siya inuulit? Kasi ang ating elim entry number 1 doon is debit yung kanyang sales and credit to purchase. So technically, pag ganun, IS account yun. So hindi mo naman talaga kailangan recurring na i-post. Pero dahil BS account to or balance sheet account, yung equipment tsaka ACDEP, kailangan natin siyang i-post ulit sa ating next year. Every year siya, ibig sabihin recurring. Pero take note na may gain on sale ka dito, which is an IS account. Yung gain on sale, kailangan mo siyang palitan ng retained earnings if cost method yung gamit mo, and investment in the company, investment in S company kung equity method. So ano yung pinagkaiba nila? Sabi natin si cost method kasi hindi agad niya pinapasok sa investment account. Kaya sa retained earnings. Si equity method, diretso siya kay investment in S company. Okay. So, ang entry natin, debit equipment. So, ulitin natin yung entry number 1. Papalitan lang natin yung gain on sale with the correct account title. Number 2. So, yung depreciation, gagawin ulit natin. So, magde-depreciate ulit tayo ng 25,000. Pero this time around, RE or investment, yung mga previous, kasi previous year na. So, ito nga pala yung assumption na ito is 3 years na ang depreciation. So, yung mga previous depreciation will be RE or investment, RE if cost model, investment if equity model. Then, debit to ACDEP of 75,000. So, ganyan lang gawin kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng purchase ng PPE within the group. So, reminder, ang gagawin mo, first, eliminate the original transaction. Second, compute for the depreciation adjustment. Then on the next year, we need to retain or ulitin yung entry number 1 with the change lang dito sa ating gain on sale of either RE or investment. The next is i-entry ulit yung ating depreciation expense. Ang ating IS is the current depreciation expense. Pero sa ating previous na ating depreciation will be posted sa RE or investment depending on the method used, and debit to ACDEP. Okay, so that's all for today. So magkakaroon tayo ng mga next videos discussing more problems and more theories then about this topic. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye-bye.